Hello everyone, Robert Saunders here, Dell Technologies. I am so excited to show this one. GitOps, you saw the title there, from commit to outcome. This is going to be fun. So what's going to happen here? I tell you what, we have a local Git repository. We're using our Blueprint editor, Blueprint Assist. We're going to edit a very simple piece of code. I'm just showing the art of the possible here. I'm going to commit the code. It's going to get picked up by the CI/CD pipe in GitOps and Action. My API keys are already loaded. It knows then how to not only package that blueprint up, it's going to deploy it to the Dell Automation Platform orchestrator. And this time I'm using SaaS. Not only is it going to upload it, it's going to deploy the entire blueprint. So as soon as the developer's working, commits their code, pushes it, we're off to the races. This is pretty cool. I'm so excited to show this. This shows so many pieces and so much completeness around the automation platform and the orchestrator. So the developer environment, blueprint editing on the left. I'm just using GitHub Desktop, or some may also recognize it as maybe the Visual Studio Code. And then we have our Dell Automation Platform orchestrator as a SaaS instance. I'm connected to it over here on the right. I'm going to kind of leave both these screens up here. So I'm going to make a simple edit, a new demo with my friend Matt, because I was actually recording this while he was on a phone call with me. He wanted to watch it. I said, let's do it. So I recorded for him while we were talking, and I said, let's do it. So choose any Git commit and push tooling. Now, I like to use GitHub for desktop. I just like it. Obviously, I've been using command line for years with GitHub, but I like this because I really like even seeing the diffs here. I've always liked this. I think it's a great tool. Again, it's up to the developer. It's 100% developer choice. You can go all command line, and I know many do. I just really like this tool, and I like to show it from a GUI perspective for demos. So I'm just going to give a little note here, and I'm going to commit the change, and then I'm going to push it. So I popped up here to the GitOps flow demo over here on the right, and I'm going to commit, and I'm going to push it. So I'll click the push origin button, and then we're going to watch over here on the right, and a workflow, this Git action, will trigger here in just a second because it's going to see I'm checked in. So there's my demo with Matt, check in. So it's going to spin up a runner, and then it's going to go through all these steps. I did a little DNS caching, flushing there because I was actually working on various IP validation. So I left it in there. And what is it doing here now? It's uploading the blueprint that I committed to the Dell Automation Platform orchestrator. Again, all API driven. So it's pushing it up, and then it's going to execute that workflow that it just got uploaded. And then it's going to monitor the deployment status. It's doing this over in the Dell Automation Platform orchestrator. There it is, Hello World Demo GitOps. The blueprint was uploaded. Let's see if we can catch this execution. And it's already deployed. Darn it, it moved so fast we couldn't catch it. But I have a couple of steps in here just to show some work being done. We can take a look at the logs there, both for the first step and the second step. There it is, 1 and 2 all done correctly. Now to confirm, let's go actually view this blueprint because we want to find that little note there, the new demo with my friend Matt. So let's go take a look at that. Let's go into the blueprint that we uploaded, that the automation uploaded to the automation platform, created with these API credentials. There it is, created by Saunders BPA. That's what we just call our connectivity there from a client or an API key perspective. So let's drill into this blueprint, inputs and capabilities, and then over to Blueprint YAML. Boom, there it is. A new demo with my friend Matt. Everything we know has got uploaded correctly and it all executed, all from a Git commit. That's pretty powerful. That shows the completeness of the platform. If you have APIs, we can connect to it anywhere. Super powerful. Love using the tooling. And I hope everyone here does also. Thanks for watching.